A devastating fire completely destroyed the Bardowali Veterinary Hospital near the Bardowal Tehsil cemetery early this morning, reducing the facility to ashes. The exact cause of the fire and the full extent of the damage, including what assets or records were destroyed, remains unclear at this time. Upon receiving the alarm, fire service personnel immediately rushed to the scene. With significant effort and the cooperation of local residents, the firefighters were eventually able to bring the massive inferno under control and extinguish it completely. Authorities are expected to launch an investigation soon to determine the cause of the fire and assess the total loss incurred. Pure report, Chini Khorang.